How's everybody doing out there? I'm gonna show you how to get a nice burnt wood finish so you can show people that you got skills out here. So make sure you sand, make it look like that, you know, nice and pretty. Sand that wood, get yourself a DeWalt sand belt, or do it by hand if you want. Yeah, you can grab those propane tanks, any home department store. You don't have to put it on that much, just a little bit, just to get the gas coming out. And light her up. Be safe with fire now. Don't play with fire. Act like a professional. Now, I found out whenever you want to burn these streaks in the wood, it's kind of best to start from the outside on the edges and work your way into the middle. If you hold it for too long in one area, you'll get a nasty burn mark, and we don't want that. We want nice streaks. Look like we know what we're doing over here, you know? Ooh, see that little, see those little burn marks right there? Kind of want to not do that. But it's all good. It's all good. Can't really mess this up, or you can. You need to have patience for sure. Very sensational too. I like, feel like I'm actually accomplishing something when I do this. I'm not an artsy fartsy person, but this is definitely fun. See how we go all the way across. Strokes, strokes. Pause. Yep. Just like that. You don't want to do too much. You don't want to burn the whole thing, right? You just want the nice little streaks to show up. And when you think you got it, look at it. Make sure you turn your propane off. Wow. Look at that. Somebody come look at that. I don't know about you. That's some sexy looking wood right there. Pause.